Hi, I'm Cindy. I'm manager here at Manzanita Gardens, and we're here after the fire that we had on Memorial Day, trying to help the victims of the fire. What we're looking for donations for them is we're looking for gift cards for clothing. We're looking for gift cards for them to be able to go out to eat. They're all living in motels right now, and they need some cash assistance. But if you do want to donate cash, we do need it in the forms of checks and money orders that can be made out in the victims' names, which we will be giving a list of what those names are and who you can donate to.